This is the first home foundation, affordability. The most common thing I hear from aspiring first home buyers is I just want a place I can call my own. And trust me, I get it. The future in rental property is totally unknown and completely unstable. Rents can go up at any time, or worse, you could be evicted at a moment's notice. What first home buyers crave is the stability and community that comes from being part of a neighbourhood where you're able to form long-lasting friendships. If you want to be able to create this, you must ensure your goals are realistic and they're affordable. As a first home buyer, your number one goal is to get your foot in the door. There's a reason that it seems like it's harder and harder to get into the property market. That's because it is. The median house price in 1982, the birth year of yours truly, was $55,100, and your average block size was over 1,000 meters squared. Fast forward to today, the median house price is $773,000, and your average block size has gone down to 350 meters squared. What that means is in my lifetime, property prices have gone up by 14 times for a block that's 1/3 the size. That means for a comparable piece of land, property prices have gone up 52-fold. The property market is like an escalator, slowly but steadily heading up and getting further and further out of reach. We are quite literally in a race against time and need to get you into the property market while we still can. This is why affordability is so important. If your dreams aren't affordable, they're never going to materialize. So this is what I suggest aspiring first home buyers do. Number one, get yourself finance ready. And if you want some tips on doing this, see the next video in the series. Number two is find a broker who is committed to you and committed to your mission to get you into a home. Number three is get a purchase capacity done. Once you've got this, number four is get a list of locations that are within your budget. The biggest mistake that I see aspiring first home buyers make at this point is to wait, thinking that somehow they'll be able to save more, earn more, inherit more, then somehow they're going to get themselves into a home which is currently unaffordable. This is the single biggest mistake you'll ever make. And if you want to know more about that, see a video that I did up here. Invariably, this thinking ends up in one of two places. The first is you will end up paying more money for a smaller block, which is further away. The second is you may be priced out of the market completely. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. If you have the capacity to get into a home now, you absolutely should, as you don't know what you're going to be able to do in the future. Affordability is the key.